What's up, YouTube? Hope you guys are doing awesome. So today I wanted to talk about something really important if you're for beginner copywriters or for anyone in general that hasn't seen some success with copywriting. So you see, you can't just do copywriting. Like there's like three things that you always need to do every single day in order to see some success eventually. So the first thing I would say, most importantly, is to reach out to businesses. Now I'll explain in detail like why each one of these steps is really important. For an obvious reason, if you don't reach out to prospects, if you don't reach out to businesses to work with them, no matter how good you are of a copywriter, it will never matter, because at the end of the day you're never gonna get a client, you know? So it's really important that every single day, no matter how hard it is, especially in the first year of you being a copywriter, you need to outreach every single day. Now here's a pro tip: I wouldn't do volume. Like if you're doing DMs, if you're doing emails, I would never actually go out and just send like 100 emails or like 100 DMs or even 50 emails or 50 DMs in a day. First of all, that just communicates something. It communicates that your outreach message is not high quality, doesn't actually like make a prospect say like, oh fuck, like this dude or like, oh, this gal actually knows what he's talking about or she's talking about, and I'm gonna reply to them. So if you're sending like 50 a day and you see nothing, no results, there's probably a problem with your outreach, or there's probably a problem with the people that you're targeting, because the quality of your leads also play a big part. But in general, I would focus mostly on like high quality outreach, and then like reaching out to people, to businesses every single day, you know? So that's the first thing. The second thing is to write copy every day. So like there isn't a copywriter ever that hadn't made this mistake, and you probably have done the same, or you will do at some point, and it's completely fine. But you need to keep in mind that in order to become a good copywriter and get results and everything, you need to write every day. Like every single day, the first thing you need to do is to write copy. Now you may ask, I don't have any clients, I don't have any free value to send. It doesn't matter. Like, what interests you? Like, what are your beliefs? What are your values? Find a person online through Instagram, YouTube, that shares the same values and sells like a course, program, some kind of mentorship, anything that relates to your values and your beliefs, and write about that. Write an email, write an Instagram post, whatever. And at the end of the day, you can just send it to them, and who knows, they might reply, they may not reply. It's fine, whatever happens. The important thing here is to remember that you did write copy and you improve each day a little bit more. So yeah, obviously you need to get your copy reviewed so you know like you're on the right track. But if you're in any kind of programs, you probably have someone that helps you with that, or if you have any like buddy that's better than you with copywriting, that's good too. But it is really important to write every single day, because like if you're a beginner copywriter, like think of yourself right now, you're a very, very skinny dude that you can see, like you can, like if you look at your mirror, at the mirror, you can see your bones. That's how fucking skinny you are, right? Now you have a goal, you have set a goal of becoming an Olympic weightlifting champion. Now what are the odds of you becoming that? They're not that good. But in order to get there, you need to start putting on muscle. You need to start eating. You need to start like doing the work. Copywriting is a muscle. Yeah, this comparison might sound weird, but it is like the closest thing that I can like refer it to. Like it is a muscle. It's a brain muscle, like how you write copy, and you need to practice that, and you need to train that muscle every single day in order to get better at it. As an Olympic champion would do the same too, you know? So that's how you have to treat it. That's the second most important thing. Like it is hard sometimes, like you're gonna like feel that you have no ideas like what to write for, whatever. Even if it's the most basic, worst copy you've ever written, put it out on a paper, in a Google Doc, and yeah, it's better than nothing. At least at the end of the day, you've gotten a lesson to like find better ideas or anything, which ties into the third thing that you need to do every day as a copywriter. Now you may like wonder, what is that third thing that I need to do? Is it like to learn something, to like watch a course, something? What is that? No, you can do that whatever day you want. You can do that every day, but it's not necessary. The third most important step is to live. Yeah, that's it. The third most important thing is to actually go out and enjoy life. Why am I saying that? Well, copywriting, marketing as a whole, is a creative task. Like Gary Halbert said that, like, I think it was him actually, but it doesn't matter who said it. But like, if you're like that copywriter who sits in his basement in a laptop or like his PC every day, and you're just like doing like gym and nothing else, gym, copywriting, nothing else, and just reaching out to businesses, you're not living, which means you don't gain any experiences, especially if you're really young. All right. And so in order to get better at copywriting, you need to have ideas. In order to have ideas, you need to go out in the world. Because yeah, you'll say like, what does like going out in the world have to do with marketing or copywriting? But a lot of the ideas like I get, and a lot of copywriters do get, for their emails, posts, sales pages, whatever, come from experiencing life outside, because you understand your target audience, which your target audience is outside your house and everything. So yeah, you can do whatever else. You can be like working in a laptop 24/7. You can be sleeping, eating, copywriting, gym, copywriting, sleep, and do that a whole like loop again and again, but it's not gonna lead anywhere. Like I was in a program, I think I said it before, like it was the Hustlers University. A lot of people that have gotten in there, and they can like relate to what I'm saying. A lot of those like copywriters are doing that exactly, and if you look at the results, it's gotten them nowhere. So, and like as long as I was doing the same thing, like I was nowhere. Like I had zero results. As soon as I like calmed a little bit and I realized I have to go outside every day, walk, something, experience life. The greatest copywriters, like the mentor inside Hustlers University actually said that once, but no one actually applied it, is that the best copywriters are the ones who can go outside, enjoy life, come back and write killer copy because they have ideas and they have experiences. They're happy about their life. They're not sad, whatever situation they're in. So do that every day too. Outreach to businesses, write copy. Ideally write copy in the morning because it's a creative task, and you need and creativity for most people is in the morning. Now if you can't do that, it's probably yours, like creativity is probably at night. You figure that out on yourself. I can't tell you, of course. But and the third thing is to live. Go out, take a walk with your dog, you know. Like I have this little dude here that I take on a walk every single day, and it's one of the best like moments in the day. You know, I enjoy it. I'm out, I'm like seeing the sun, like I'm touching grass. That's life. You know, that's why you got into this game, so you can do it more, you know. But yeah, why should you stop doing it? And yeah, you know, it doesn't make any sense, and it doesn't help you in any way. So yeah, those are the three things. I hope it helps you guys, and if you like the video, please leave a like. If you don't, it's fine. And subscribe if you want to see more interesting content about marketing and copywriting, how to get clients. Thank you very much. Bye bye.